Let's start with a paradox. In an age of infinite data, we have never been more certain about nothing. The photograph that once bore Bathers, that has been, now lives only in the ghostly hand of AI, generated fakes. We trusted images because they were proof, until algorithms made them optional. This isn't just a loss of authenticity. It's an engineered illusionism, where every pixel is designed to mimic belief itself. Technopoly, as Postman warned, doesn't just automate. It erases the line between record and fabrication. When a computer says no, who questions why? The machine's judgment is enough to quiet dissent. We outsource our trust to systems that demand nothing in return but obedience. And so we become Joseph K.S., accused without knowing by whom or how.
Those early computer systems were massive, glitchy, and way less powerful than your phone. But they laid the groundwork for everything we take for granted today.
Once considered flaws, film grain and tape hiss have been rebranded as aesthetic virtues, sold back to us through filters and plugins that promise authenticity. But what's really being marketed is not the past, but a nostalgic illusion of it. This isn't about remembering old formats. It's about manufacturing their emotional weight in a context where we no longer trust the new. It's a calculated performance of inconsistency, designed to mask the sterile perfection beneath.
There are serious doubts that have been raised over some of the charity work of an Australian influencer who claims to provide aid in places like Gaza and Sudan.
An ABC News Verify investigation has revealed some of the social media content relating to the Lily J Foundation is AI generated or enhanced. Joining us now is Matt Martino. Matt, what more can you tell us about Lily J? You've been following this story.
Yeah, so Lily J is an Australian influencer.
Today, Western Union operates a vast network of 2 million miles of wire, furnishing swift, reliable communication. Financial quotations are transmitted from exchanges in key cities to ticker tape receivers in brokers' offices throughout the United States, Cuba, and in Canada.
In the mid-20th century, early computers were mechanical, audible things. Their vacuum tubes hissed and flickered like nervous ghosts inside cabinets of glass and steel. Engineers treated them like engines you could fix with a wrench and a prayer. These systems weren't perfect. They had glitches we called bugs. But those flaws made the technology feel real, grounded in materiality. As one enthusiast put it, there was a pleasure in understanding these complex machines at their simplest level. Just this week, Australian media exposed the trail of AI, fakery behind influencer, Lily J's charitable foundation. From fabricated press releases to deep-faked testimonials, each artifact was designed not just to attract attention, but to manufacture trust through aesthetic authenticity. This isn't a mistake, it's an optimization. Every 6 fingered hand or inconsistent lighting in AI generated images is part of a new language of fakery that mimics imperfection as its own form of legitimacy. As the archive makes clear, these systems were never meant to disappear. They evolved from vacuum tubes to silicon chips to neural networks, but always retained their material leaks. Today's AI. Watermarks are both security measures and aesthetic cues that we already know will be spoofed in turn. The next frontier isn't just making fakes more convincing, but coding the very aesthetics of trust itself into the architecture of our tools.
In the first place, we can rectify current with it, converting AC to DC. We can do this merely by connecting an electronic tube in series with an AC circuit.
AI detectors are built on a paradox. They promise to identify synthetic content, but must first be trained to recognize what counts as natural. The ironies. These systems require their own humanization, adding noise, glitches, or stylistic quirks to pass the very tests that claim to expose fakery. It's not just authenticity being sold anymore. It's the illusion of detecting it. As soon as a system can be coded, spoofed versions arise. The feedback loop tightens.